There are many motorcycle stand products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best motorcycle stands from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Stainless steel motorcycle stand. Rating 4.3. Stainless steel comprises iron, chromium, and carbon, making it more substantial and less malleable than aluminum. It has a high level of hardness, excellent creep resistance, and the ability to withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for various applications. Stainless steel is durable and corrosion resistant, and therefore siren bow wheel chock has a longer service life than a metal chock. Designed with a complete plate, the wheel chock boasts a 3,000 pounds bearing capacity. Additionally, stainless steel provides excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, and ensures long-lasting durability. With a 5-hole adjustment feature, you can easily customize the wheel chock to fit different sizes of motorcycle tires. This ensures a secure fit and prevents the motorcycle from tipping over. Number 4. Grand Pit Stop Motorcycle Stand. Rating 4.3. The motorcycle jack is made from premium steel to provide high strength and durability. The maximum load capacity is 220 kilograms, 485 pounds. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures the jack remains stable while lifting your motorcycle. This motorcycle jack has 4 adjustable screw knobs to meet your different height requirements. The motorcycle jack can be folded to 135 millimeters, which makes it easy to store in your car, garage, or under the motorcycle seat. This motorcycle jack is suitable for all types of motorcycles, scooters, dirt bikes, and ATVs. The compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and store. Number 3. DONX Motorcycle Stand. Rating 4.4. Max capacity 850 lbs. Strong and stable. Hold your bike firmly. High-quality material. Made of industrial-grade steel with a smooth and high-gloss finish for good oil, dirt, and corrosion resistance. Can be used for a long time without deformation. Good stability. Durable protection pads can reduce vibration and increase friction. Our stand can make your maintenance safer and easier. Adjustable design. Suitable for most motorcycles, such as Yamaha, Honda, BMW, Kawasaki, Suzuki, etc. Easy to use. Easy to assemble according to the page picture introductions. Easy to move because of 4 high-quality PP wheels. It is designed to make your motorcycle maintenance more convenient. Number 2. Vaver Motorcycle Stand. Rating 4.4. With a powerful 850 pounds, 0.39 ton load capacity, our motorcycle stand is designed for a tire radius of 13.8 inches, making it compatible with most motorcycles, including popular brands like Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, and Suzuki. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, our motorcycle forklift stand features precise bracket joint slot positioning and reinforced limit clips, ensuring stable and shake-free lifting. The supportive triangular force points minimize deformation during long-term motorcycle support. Our motorcycle frame stand comes with a detailed assembly guide and a quick assembly process. Featuring 4 3-inch PP casters and extended handles, you'll be able to lift your motorcycle effortlessly in just 2-3 seconds. Number 1. Vaver Motorcycle Stand. Rating 4.6. The heavy-duty and solid steel structure of this Vaver motorcycle lift jack comes with a red and black powder-coated finish. The paint coating is oil, grease, and rust-resistant, which is much easier to clean up after repairs. The top surface of the stand has a durable rubber pad with a stripe pattern to help prevent slippage and scratches. The wide top platform measures 14.4 x 9, which has a large contact area with the motorcycle to raise and lower it steadily. Features a crank handle to make operation easier, and you only need to rotate the metal handle to lift your motorcycle, which is an excellent tool to facilitate a more convenient repair process. Equipped with 2 removable screw adapters on the handle, it will help you to save energy when rotating the crank. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.